Hey guys, Jumpers Reel 1 here. Well, look at that. The beastie is back together. You might have noticed I've painted the inside of the rims. I've painted all the front end, the whole, it's all been painted. I still got to blacken the tyres, but I'm not too worried about that yet. But it's got a seat. Got to change the flooring. I'm going to change the colour of this. I don't know whether to make it red or black, but might go black with the black seat. But there you go, look at that. The wheels look pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the way the wheels turned out. I've got to paint the wheel nuts yet. I just put it back together so I could get a good look at how it all works. How it's going to go. The headlights look really cool. The chrome grille looks pretty cool. The bumper bar, I like it. I just finished doing a bit of a wheel alignment on it, so now it'll track straight. So I'll get into painting all the wheels and the wheel nuts, and I'll paint the wheels black. But yeah, just a matter of getting around to it and finishing it off. Alright guys, bye for now.